Get creative in the kitchen thanks to this gas cooker and grill from Beko, which combines fast and efficient cooking with an easy clean interior. The oven has an A rating for energy efficiency and a medium-sized 62-litre capacity. This model also has a separate eye-level gas grill. There are 4 gas burners on the hob, ranging from 3 different sizes. This means there's loads of room for flexibility when cooking. This model has a gas oven, which means you can enjoy flexible cooking. Because heat rises from the bottom of the oven, it creates different temperature zones. This means you can cook different foods at different temperatures. Now you'll always impress your guests with delicious gourmet-style food. The oven has a special coating on the inside of the main oven to make cleaning effortless. The oven cavity is covered in grease-proof enamel, which stops food from sticking, so it can simply be wiped away with a cloth. This means your oven is really easy to maintain and you'll save time on cleaning. If you're looking for a gas cooker and grill to help you get creative in the kitchen, this model from Beko is an excellent choice.